Hi, in this tutorial I will show you that how you can add a reflection or liquid or glossy effect on your logo in After Effects. Create a new composition and rename it as logo. You can add your logo here, or you can also write a text for your logo. It's up to you. I will just add a text for the logo. So this will be the composition for logo. Pre-comp this logo and rename it as logo pre-comp. Again, pre-comp this logo composition and rename it as logo overlay. Create a new solid and set its color to black. Rename it as background. Right click. In the layer styles, add inner glow. In the inner glow, change the blend mode to multiply. Change the opacity to 100. And in the single color, change its color to black. Change its size to 20. And decrease the range to 40. Again, in the layer styles, add color overlay. Change the color to white. Create a new adjustment layer. Add fast box blur. Change the radius to 1. Go back to logo pre-comp and add this logo overlay composition under the logo composition and hide it. Next, create a new composition and rename it as effects. Create a new solid layer and rename it as effects. Add fill. Change its color to white. Next, use Venetian blinds. Change the transition completion to 63. Change its width to 270. Add offset effect so that we can move it to left or right. Add turbulence displace effect. Change the amount to 102. Decrease its size to 90 and make it in the center. Make the offset like at this point. Use effect fast box blur. Change the blur radius to 6. Increase its scale and go back to offset. Keyframe this shift center to. And move it like this. Okay, so this composition is ready. Go back to logo pre-comp. Add effects above this logo composition. Use effect CC glass and add it above the text. In the surface, change the first to the logo overlay and change the softness to 5, height to 52 and change the displacement to 120. In the light, change the light intensity to 65. Next effect we will use is CC Globalize. And change this to logo overlay and change the light intensity to 65. Next we will apply effect set matte. And this settings take the matte from layer, change it to logo. Also, it says if layer sizes differ, uncheck this stretch matte to fit. Once it's done, change the mode. Change its mode to screen and decrease the opacity to 45. If I can show you the close view. So you can see we have a liquid or reflective effect on our logo. Okay, I have bought this logo so that I can show you further results if we use this effect on logo, image logo or vector logo instead of text. And here, add your logo here. Scale it down. I will disable this logo and go back to logo pre-comp. So you can see we have a shadow or glow or reflection even on our this logo. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with others. And then I will see you in next video.